We will guide you through how to change background color to white in Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop and open the image containing the subject whose background you want to change to white. Once the image is ready, select the Object Selection tool from the toolbar and use it to select the main subject in the image, making sure the selection follows the subject as closely as possible. After the subject is selected, go to Select on the top menu and choose Inverse to switch the selection from the subject to the surrounding background. Next, go to the Layers panel so you can create a new fill layer without permanently changing the original image. Click the new fill or adjustment layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Then select Solid Color from the available options. When the color picker appears, choose white as the new background color, making sure the color is fully white for a clean and consistent result. Click OK to apply the white color, and Photoshop will fill the selected background area while keeping the main subject separate from the new color. Check the edges around the subject carefully, especially around hair, clothing, and other detailed areas, to make sure the original background has been removed cleanly and no unwanted colors or gaps remain. Additionally, select the layer mask if edge corrections are needed so you can refine the affected areas without permanently changing the image. Use the brush tool to paint over any incorrect areas on the mask, carefully correcting spots where the white background has covered part of the subject or where traces of the original background are still visible. Continue checking the edges from different zoom levels until the subject looks clean against the white background. Once the background looks correct and the subject is properly separated, save or export the edited image in your preferred format and location.